Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character zheng or zheng step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write zheng. Or zheng. As zheng, it means upright. Exactly. Zheng means the first month of the lunar year. Lunar year. 正月 January. For example, 正确 正确 correct, right. Now check this sentence. When you do the right thing, you feel fantastic. When you do the right thing, you feel fantastic.当你做正确的事情时，你会感觉棒极了。当你做正确的事情时，你会感觉棒极了。当你做正确的事情时，你会感觉棒极了 fantastic. When you do the right thing, you feel fantastic. 当你做正确的事情时，你会感觉棒极了。正 in cursive. 正 upright, exactly. 正 first month of the lunar year. 正确 correct, right. When you do the right thing, you feel fantastic. 当你做正确的事情时，你会感觉棒极了。正 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 正. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.